Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use the stab ability in Crimson Desert. All right, let's begin. First, open your skill tree and locate the stab ability. It's found in the blue section and may already be available depending on your progression. If not, you'll need one Abyss artifact to unlock it. Once you invest the artifact, the ability becomes usable immediately. Next, check the input required to perform the stab. On controller, press the right bumper and Y button at the same time. On PlayStation, this translates to right bumper and triangle. For PC players, use left shift and right click together. Make sure you press both inputs simultaneously for the move to activate correctly. Now, equip your sword and try the input. When done properly, your character will perform a forward stabbing attack. This move is not only useful in combat, but also important for interacting with certain environmental puzzles. Some mechanisms require this ability to activate or rotate objects when no standard interaction prompt appears. Because of this, it's a good idea to remember the input and practice using it consistently. So that's basically how you can use the stab ability in Crimson Desert. That's it for this video. Thanks.